just can't wait to see this. Oh, it's not playing yet.
It will, honey. It's retrieving it.
Okay, a Chinese chick doing yoga.
It's a reality show, just to let you know this is all real.
She's actually doing Tai Chi.
And now a chick is sweating.
She's having a baby. Kaya, now stop. Kaya. Kaya. Kaya, I'm going to delete that whole movie.